Hi, in today's video I want to give you my review of ULATI replacement battery for Ego power tools. Hello again. So if you have Ego power tools, you may want to buy another battery. I want to tell you more about ULATI battery. It's 56 volts, 5 amps. This is the original battery from Ego. As you can see, they look exactly the same. The only difference is that this is original one. It has this indicator light with the LED lights. This battery has indicator light but no rotating LEDs, so you know where it's charged, where it's not charged, but you cannot tell the level. So basically that's the difference. On the bottom you can see they look exactly the same, and from this side they fit exactly the same in the same Ego devices. This is the Ego Power Plus blower that I use. This is the replacement battery, and as you can see I can just slide it in. Perfect fit, and it works great. This battery came pre-charged. Yesterday I was working for about probably 15 minutes in my mom's house and I had no issues at all. What you have to remember is that when you buy this battery, of course it's cheaper than the original Ego battery. Like I said, I was using that battery for about 15 minutes last time, and I also want to point out that accidentally I dropped it from about maybe 4 feet right before I was using it, and nothing happened. So it's nice and solid, works on all Ego tools. It works really good. This battery comes with 30 days money back warranty and a 1-year warranty, so you can rest assured that you're gonna get a good quality. Also, it comes with overcharging protection, overheating protection, and over recharging protection, so it has a lot of built-in features just like the original battery. And this particular model is 56 volts and 5 amps. So it should work exactly the same as the original battery. If you have any questions, send me an email. I'll be more than happy to answer your questions. Otherwise, thanks for watching, guys. Goodbye.